What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And voltinu is going insane. We are seeing some very strong moves, and equally it is about time to get Volt. We're going to be covering off some of the exciting things coming out of Volt today and what we've got to look forward to in the not so distant future. So if that's something you like and you're in the Volt army, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on, give me a thumbs up, and let's jump into this one because this is pretty interesting. So Volt currently trending 8139 is the current price. We are seeing a bit of an increase in volume, but you can see a couple of lines I've drawn on here of key points in which we're going to have to test very, very soon. I think this is going to come sooner rather than later. We've got the 8906 range, which we did kind of test here and got rejected. Equally, a lot here where we tested and came back through it. And then equally, when we get to this breaking a zero, that will be the next key point. So Volt, however, on the daily chart has got 4 nice green minted candles as we continue to move up in the chart. If we take a look at some of the stats, you can see here we're at 36.77 million in terms of price, volume 141,000 in the 24-hour period, and a strong level of liquidity at 2.75. It is up 2% on the day, and for the week 7.44. Now we've seen the crypto market move today and actually start to gain some momentum, so really positive signs, and equally some positive signs for Volt. Now what have we got coming down? Well, the big news, we did win the vote and we will be listed on gate.io. Now to context that is a tier 1 exchange. We can absolutely check over on CoinMarketCap. We can come into the exchanges here and have a look, and we can see that we have Gate.io, the 8th largest ranked exchange, currently trading $767 million in a 24-hour period. So this is a big deal for the Volt army to get on. So congratulations. You can see how many people like this. 881 Volt on Gate.io is big news. There's something like, I've heard a stat about 1 million users that will suddenly wake up and be able to trade Volt. You've got to understand the impact that potentially is going to have on the voltinu price. So I think it's a very, very big announcement. It's incredibly bullish, and absolutely shout out to every single member of the Volt army that made this happen. This is huge, and I can't stress enough how big this is. Then we kind of roll into the next bit. It says Volt is crypto, crypto is Volt, voltichange is coming very, very soon. And again, this is going to be insane. I've done a couple of videos on this. I'm going to drop a link in the description to the video I talked all about it, but a couple of the highlights is a deflationary swap that Volt own. First, if not the only one of its kind, where any token that lists on here, and let me tell you, that's free to list on voltichange, that token will become deflationary. Now, when you think about even Shiba Inu, the granddaddy of all the ERC20 community cap tokens, needs to burn its supply, then voltichange is completely filling a niche in the market. We've seen loads of people bring swaps out, loads of people try and do the same as everyone else. Voltichange have gone, okay, we're going to do something different. Now, the timing on this is everything. Think about it. We list on Gate.io, that tier 1 exchange. 1 million people have eyes on Volt. We then see what the volume does. We got to capitalize on momentum and then land voltichange after that. And I think right now, the future is incredibly exciting for Volt, and the potential currently is absolutely insane. We check the Gate.io. There's nothing right now on this for Volt. We'll wait for that announcement to come fully out of Gate.io. But when you start to see some movement here in the charts, and again, it does look like we'll mint another green candle for today, you then start to look at the potential of testing some of these slightly higher price points and equally what that looks like to go into. Then you really start absolutely unlocking this insane potential of Volt. Now, topped out a $500 million market cap. I can see us getting back to there. We need to see some sentiment in the market that's a really strong move. We're probably not going to get that till the back end of November, maybe mid-November. As the market starts to recover, we're seeing stocks start to cool a little bit. Equally, the Forex and the currency trading market starting to cool. So people are coming slightly back into risk assets. But while ever inflation is high, it's always going to be a challenge in crypto. We have managed to keep over that $1 trillion mark, but equally, this is where communities and tokens with real absolute utility come, and innovation, I think that's a really important point, start to do something different. And Volt, for me, is one of those tokens where we get voltichange, Gate.io. We've got the Volta Dragon Sailors Club NFTs that are going to reward those people that haven't sold it. There's just so much coming down, and even more to come. So if you are in the Volt army and you want to stay up to date with everything going on with Volt, do me a favor, turn that subscribe button grey, turn the notification bell on so you know when we upload or go live every night at 9 PM GMT. Hit the like button, stay vaulted, and I'll catch you in the next one.